Today's operator signal is simple. AI is starting to leave the screen. For the last couple years, most of the AI story has been software, chat windows, coding assistants, agents, and co-pilots. But the stronger signal this weekend is physical AI. Models, sensors, robots, edge systems, and real-world data loops moving into warehouses, factories, stores, hospitals, and field operations. At Beyond Expo in Macau, which closed on May 31st, the theme was literally AI Digital to Physical. The event framed the next wave around embodied intelligence, robotics, spatial computing, AI agents, open ecosystems, and global capital. That matters because it pulls AI out of the demo tab and into the physical operating layer. Machines that see, move, sense, and execute in real environments. China's World Intelligence Expo in Tianjin showed the same pattern. Xinhua reported more than 700 exhibitors, with robots threading a needle, surgical systems, Go-playing machines, and unitary humanoids on display. The useful part is not the stagecraft, it is the stack underneath. Better algorithms, larger models, materials, chips, high-end sensors, and a growing need for physical interaction data. That data point is the hidden bottleneck. Text models learned from the internet. Physical AI needs data from the world: motion, force, temperature, location, timing, exceptions, failed grasps, near misses, and human handoffs. China is responding with data collection factories and a national pilot base in Hangzhou, where companies can access computing power, data, model support, and scenario validation. The Hangzhou pilot base is worth watching. People's Daily and Xinhua reported more than 130 robots operating across more than 30 vocational scenarios, from catering and unmanned retail to power line inspection, fruit picking, and downhole operations. The base is not just a showroom, it includes data collection and skill training processes designed to move embodied intelligence from the lab into real social and commercial applications. For operators, supply chain may be the clearest near-term bridge. Wiliot and AT&T announced an expanded collaboration on May 28th to deploy physical AI across enterprise supply chains. Wiliot's platform uses battery-free IoT pixels to capture continuous item-level data like location and temperature, while AT&T supports connectivity, device certification, installation, tagging, and ongoing operations. The operator takeaway is not robots everywhere. It is continuous visibility, real-time signals from the physical world that can trigger automated workflows. That is where physical AI will land first, not as a humanoid replacing a worker, but as a sensing and decision layer around work already happening. Did the shipment arrive? Is the case at the right dock door? Is temperature drifting? Which asset is missing? Which receiving step is slowing inventory? Once the physical world becomes machine-readable, agents can act on live operational reality instead of stale reports. But the Seoul humanoid fashion show is a useful caution flag. AFP reported that the robots looked impressive, but fully automated physical AI is still rare, and many eye-catching displays are remote-operated or pre-programmed. That does not make them meaningless. It means operators should separate choreography from autonomy. Here is the playbook. First, start with sensing before robotics. If you cannot see the work reliably, you cannot automate it responsibly. Second, define the physical data model: location, condition, task state, identity, custody, and exception codes matter as much as the model. Third, pilot in bounded environments. A warehouse aisle, receiving dock, inspection route, or controlled retail process is better than a vague robot transformation project. Fourth, measure operational evidence. Track accuracy, cycle time, labor touches, exception rates, safety incidents, and recovery time when the system fails. Fifth, keep humans in the loop where the world is messy. Physical AI needs escalation paths, stop rules, manual override, and clear accountability. My read: the next serious AI advantage will not be just smarter language. It will be the connection between intelligence and the physical operating system of a business. Assets, people, inventory, facilities, machines, and exceptions. The question for leaders is not whether physical AI is real. It is where your operation can safely become readable, measurable, and partially executable by software. AI is leaving the screen. The winners will be the teams that make the physical world legible before they try to make it autonomous.